5 tips to gain weight. The video is designed specifically for the ectomorph or the naturally skinny person who is doing all they can to gain some weight and some muscle. What just cannot do so. A variety of lifestyle factors can get in the way of us trying to gain weight. Some of us have what we might call a fast metabolism, or some of us might just has a very poor functioning digestive tract that doesn't allow us to absorb all the nutrients that we are eating. But regardless of the circumstances, we just have to fight against the odds and gain some weight. So let's dive into 5 tips that will help you gain some weight. Tip number 1. Eat more calories. If it's a struggle to eat more than you need for shakes and milk, you can also eat foods that are less filling. Meaning food that has low fiber and low water content, such as nuts and dried fruits. Some foods that are perfect for bulking or trail mix: olive oil, dark chocolate, bananas, white rice, oats, ground meat, salmon and leafy greens. Also eat snacks more often, as studies have shown that people who have snacked in between meals consume more calories than those who less often eat but have larger meals. Number 2. Keep track of your calorie intake. Monitor your progress by weighing yourself every week. Do it the first thing in the morning after you pee. Weighing every day isn't the most ideal, since the weight normally fluctuates based on your bowel content, water or salt intake, among many other factors. If you've gained weight, keep up the same amount of calories. If after 2 weeks there's no progress, even after sticking to the same calorie count daily, increase your calorie consumption. Add 500 more per day and see what happens. Number 3. Build muscles for guys. Building muscles is another effective way of gaining weight, as it makes them look healthier, fit and ripped. Lifting weights, for instance, triggers the body to develop muscle mass. Moreover, it increases your appetite, causing you to eat more. Without exercise, all the excess food you're eating will be stored as fat, which usually settles on the belly, giving you a chubby form. Instead, to utilize lifting to gain weight, do more free weights and compound exercises like squats, press, deadlifts, bench and rows. Number 4. Bulk up on protein consumption. If you want to build muscles, then it's a must to increase your protein consumption. Protein-rich foods like chicken breasts are extremely filling, so you won't be able to eat more often than before. Instead of eating foods like these, go for a protein shake, like whey protein supplements can also help. Don't just limit your protein needs from animal sources. Nuts and beans have some protein too. Even those little bits of extra protein can already make a difference. Number 5. Rest well. Improving your sleep is of paramount importance. If you're aimed to gain healthy weight, without it your hormones can get out of control. And when this happens, the body is more likely to store the excess energy to fat, leading to fat gain, which isn't healthy. Also, your muscles need tons of rest from your body workouts. Otherwise they won't grow if you keep on exhausting them daily. So you think you can do all those things? If you want videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video. Thank you for and we'll see you in the next one.